Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, thefinance.com. Today we are diving into an exciting topic, how cryptocurrency is influencing the pet sitting industry. You might be wondering, cryptocurrency and pet sitting, how do they even connect? Well, that's exactly what we are gonna to explore. If you are curious about the future of pet care and digital payment, stick around. You won't want to miss this. Okay, so now let's move on. So basically, those who don't know what is cryptocurrency, I'll explain in some few seconds. So basically, cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that uses blockchain technology to keep transactions secure and transparent. Unlike regular money, it does not rely on bank. Instead, it operates on as a decentralized network, which means it's not controlled by any single authority. Popular examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Okay, now why is this important? Because it allows for secure peer-to-peer means P2P transaction without the needed for middlemen. Basically, now the next point is how cryptocurrency fit into pet sitting. Now you might be thinking, how does this apply to pet sitting? Well, pet sitter and pet owners are discovering that crypto can make transaction faster, simpler, and more secure. So there are 2 points. The first point is pet owners can book sitter easily, paying in cryptocurrency without worrying about bank fees, transaction fees, and etc. And the second point is pet sitter receiving payment quickly, even from client overseas, without waiting for international transfer to clear. Now, plus, it's not just about payment. Some platforms are even exploring crypto as part of loyal program or reward for frequent sitter. So those who don't know what is loyal program or what is loyalty program and etc things, watch my previous video because I have explained the how you can say how loyalty program works and what is loyalty program, how you can add a loyalty program in your business and etc things. So you, if you missed the video, go and check it out, our previous video. So now the third segment is benefit of using cryptocurrency in pet sitting. Basically, in pet sitting there are multiple you can say tips and points. I'll explain you. So here are some key benefits. Now first is fast transaction, because we are or you are using cryptocurrency, so you don't need to carry any cash or card or etc things. Just carry your phone as usual. We daily use our phone, and the most of the time our phone is in our hand or in our pockets. Okay, so it's a very easy, so you don't need to carry a cash. And the one more thing is, if you carry cash, it can be a very big problem of if you give $100 and your bill is some around $70 or $80 like that, so you can't get the changes every time. Okay, so it's a very difficult. So if you carry on a mobile phone, because everyone has the mobile phones, so you can use your mobile phone and you can make the payment. And the second thing is, because the bitcoin or any cryptocurrency if you are using, if you transfer to your any businesses, like if you have purchased any services from the business and you are sending in the cryptocurrencies, you can send in few seconds. Okay, in few microseconds or few seconds. Okay, so it's a very convenient. And first thing is, it's a fast transaction, so you don't need to wait for 10 minutes, 15 minutes or etc things. Just scan and pay in some few seconds. Okay, and the next thing is lower fee. So basically lower fee means, I'll explain you one more thing. Like example, if you want to purchase something, now if you want to purchase something, like example, I have wearing watch. Example, I'll take this watch. Okay, so this watch is from example, this watch is from Germany. So I am in USA, basically United States of America. So I need to purchase the watch from the Germany. So the parcel and etc. thing is sort out, but the main problem is currency conversion charges. So if I pay through the bank account, it takes up to 8 to 15 business days. So but I can't wait till date. Okay, so if I pay on the spot, like in few, if I able to pay in few seconds, my parcel will be ready and my parcel will be delivered in 15 to 20 business days. So it's a very good thing to get the thing in 15 to 20 days rather than waiting for 30 to 35 days, including bank, you can say bank transfer days also. So if I'm using cryptocurrency, I can directly send to the seller, or you can say, yeah, I can say I mean I can transfer the fund to the seller directly without wasting any time. Because if I go through the banks, okay, if I go through the banks, I'll tell the bank that I want to purchase the watches from the Germany, there is a seller name XYZ and etc. amount I want to send. Example, the amount of the watch amount is example, let's take an example of $1 lakh. So if I send the $1 lakh to the seller does not get the exact $1 lakh, remember, because if I send $1 lakh in the hand after deduction of taxes, conversion charges, bank account fees and etc., they are going to get almost 90,000 or 80,000 something. I'm just giving a rough example, so it's a rough example because many things are included like taxes and etc. things, and country charges also applicable, because every country has their different taxation system. Example, if America has the different taxation system, Germany has different taxation system. So it can be a very frustrating if you're sending $1 lakh and the seller receiving just 90,000. It can be a very frustrating. And if you use directly cryptocurrency, you can transfer easily because there is a very minimal security deposit and a very minimal fees, like 1% or 0.5% example, like that. Okay, so if you go for small amount, it's a very high fee, and if you go for a very big amount, it will be a 0.1234, max to max 3%. That's it. If you're sending $1 lakh, you need to pay just $3,000. So now imagine paying wasting your $10,000 or wasting your $3,000, which is better. So be smart. Okay, now the next point is global accessibility. No need for both parties to have a traditional bank account. Okay, now understand this point. Basically, if you if I as a buyer or a seller, if I have a bank account but the seller has no bank account, no matters. So if they had the you can say the application, basically application of any crypto exchange. Okay, if there is any crypto exchange, they can take the money in the crypto exchange. After they getting the money in their crypto exchange, they can sell the amount and they can get in the wallet, and getting wallet they can transfer to someone personally and they can take the cash also. It can be a very easy because you don't need to carry a bank account and etc. things like that. Okay, now the next thing is security. Blockchain encryption makes transparent, secure. And the next thing is privacy. Some people prefer to add a financial privacy. Basically, if you go through the bank account and you are going to pay through your bank accounts, the seller or other party can see your original name if you don't want to show your real name. Okay, so basically bank wants your real name to identify, because they need to you can say verify your identity, so they need your real name. But if you don't want to show your real name due to some XYZ matters or anything, okay, so if you want privacy, go for the cryptocurrencies, because if you go through the bank accounts, your real name will be shown to your seller or your customer etc. things, and your real age and your gender and etc. things. It can be a very risky if you don't want to show your personal information to others. So now the last thing is challenging and consideration. So now the first, while crypto offers exciting possibilities. It's not without its challenges. Now, first is price volatility. Cryptocurrency can fluctuate in value, which might affect the actual amount you receive. And the second thing is complexity. Not everyone understands how crypto works, which can be confusing for beginner. And the third point is security risk. If you don't secure your digital wallet properly, there's a risk of hacking. I'll explain you in simple way. Price volatility means, I have said that cryptocurrency is always a very high volatility, because the price of the cryptocurrency is going very frequently up and down, up and down. So if you are paying through the cryptocurrency, it can be a little bit you can say problematic, because if you are sending $100, if sudden seller gets only 95 $98, it can be a very frustrating, but not so it's I mean, it's not a very big deal if you don't use any meme coins, because meme always, not always, but sometimes meme token is just for pump and dump system. I'm not going to explain what is pump and dump system. No, let's talk about next is complexity. Everyone can't able to understand what is cryptocurrency, how cryptocurrency work, and they are only in confusion for beginners. Okay, those who are beginner in crypto market and etc things, they can't able to understand the market, how market works. They can't able to deposit or etc. It can be very frustrating for them because they are beginners. Now, the next thing is security risk. And in complexity, I have said that beginners, and by chance if your customer is a beginner in you can say beginner in crypto market, and you are accepting only cryptocurrencies in the form of payments, so it can be a very frustrating and time consuming, because you need to make a call to your customer, and you need to answer everything to your customer, and you need to explain everything to your customer, how cryptocurrencies work and etc things, how to send money. It can be a very frustrating and time consuming. Okay, so if your customer are beginner, it can be a very problematic and time consuming. Now, the next thing is security risk. Many people are new in the crypto market, so they don't even know how to secure their digital wallet. Many people prefer hardware wallet, but those who are new in the crypto market, they don't even know what is hardware wallet, what is digital wallet, so they don't even care how the crypto wallet is going to work and etc thing. They don't even care for the digital wallet, and one day they are bankrupt because their mobile phone is hacked due to any problem, like from message, application or etc any type. Okay, so if their phone is hacked, everything gone, that's it. So I'll prefer go for hardwares. Okay, now the last thing is real world examples. So I'm going to tell you 2 examples. Now I need to end the video because the video is getting too lengthy. Most of the followers are telling don't make a lengthy video, but I'll try my best to make a small video. But my main motto is just to explain you in the very simple way as I can. Okay, now let's look some real examples. The first example is a pet sitting service in Canada accept Bitcoin, making it easy for international client to pay without convenience fee. And the second example is a pet care platform in the UK introduced a token based reward system where frequent client pet earn pet tokens that can be used for discount. So I have explained you this thing in my previous videos also. I'll explain you in simple way. Basically, if you open a new pet or pet shop or etc things, if any customer is coming rapidly, or you can say repeatedly, every day like that, or every month, so you can offer some pet tokens. You can name anything to your token, like example your company name is ABC company, so you can introduce ABC cryptocurrencies. So when customer is coming, and you are going to give some cryptocurrency, and later your customer can use the cryptocurrency to avail more discounts or offers and etc thing. So this is the video. I hope this video is very interesting, so I need to end the video. Okay, and before going, just a quick reminder, This video is just for educational purpose only. We are not offering financial advice. Always do your own research before making any decision related to cryptocurrencies. And thank you so much for watching the video. Hope this video is very helpful for you. Please make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, because we are very close to complete 2000 YouTube subscriber. And please make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And please make sure to follow Instagram account, because we are very close to complete 7000 Instagram followers. Thank you so much for watching.